got kind of close. Hey Loveberries, and welcome back to another lovely video. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Audri Loveberry. It's kind of dark, sorry. Audri Loveberry, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the Loveberry squad. There we go, it's brightening up now. So we've already done these nails, which is the glazed donut nails that I got from Sally Beauty. It comes with 30 nails, so I'm going to attempt to do these nails again, and we're going to bejewel them, give them some rhinestones to jazz it up some. So if you are interested on how I got the thumbnail look, continue to watch. So I wanted to come back, and I'm doing these videos. I just wanted to explain why I'm doing another video on this, because there's 30 nails in here. Why am I going to wear these nails once when I can wear them again and add a little jewels to them to change them up a little bit and use my money to my best ability? You know what I'm saying? So that's why we're doing another video, just in case y'all are wondering. But that's why we're doing another video on these nails, because there's 30 nails in here. We can make multiple different sets with these nails. Okay? All right. Okay, so like I was saying, we have these nails here, the glazed donuts that we've done before, and we have I've used 10 already, so there's 20 nails left in here. So we have these beautiful shimmery rhinestones here, or we have the like rainbow rhinestones, the yellowish rhinestones, the red, and then these are like not as shimmery as these ones, sorry. So I'm thinking I still want to use these, just keep it plain and simple. And I was looking on Pinterest to see what kind of ideas I can get, and there was one where it was a cute little simple rhinestone right at the end on each nail. So I think that's going to be really cute. So I guess I took the file and the glue out, so we're just going to use this glue from Kiss, because again, like I said, I already used this before, so hopefully it's looking like I'm gonna have a good bit of nails to redo my nails again. So I'm just going to take my nail file that I got from Amazon. I don't remember the grit on these, but you can get them from Amazon. It came with like 20 or 10, but it came with a good bit. So I'm just going to file my nails down. Then I'm going to size them, and this is going to be quick. If y'all know what else you can use to put on jewels other than glue, let me know, because sometimes there's glue residue that's left over. You know, that white there's a white cast on the nail. Yeah, that's gonna be perfect. There's a white cast on the nail sometimes, and I don't like that. So yeah, it's looking like there's going to be the nails right here that are going to be perfect. Yeah. This one is too big. These two nails here are like kind of the same in size. Let's see. A little bit. Yeah, that looks better. See this one. might use these. Yeah. Switch it out. Here. Let's see. Yeah. I think that looks better. 6, 6, 7. Okay, so actually, I like the 7 better. 7. Okay. All right, so we have that there. Now we got to get our thumbs. Too small. That's kind of good. A 2. A 4. Hold on, let's look at the 4. 4 is too small. That is a 2. That's a 1. 1 is too big. That one's too big. Okay. So perfect there. And I'm going to get out of my little baggie here a toothpick. And I'm going to push my cuticles back. Okay. I hope y'all had a good Mother's Day. This is going to be out after that, but just to say I hope y'all have a good Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, or happy belated Mother's Day. 'Cause like I said, this will be out after Mother's Day. But I'm trying to be consistent and get y'all some nail videos with some nail ideas. All right, so now let us apply. And I know they say to add the glue to the actual press-on nail, but I just add it to my nail and that's it, really. And it works perfectly for me. So, and I just count to 10 Mississippi in my head to give it some adhesive time. Very cute. Oh look, now I want to act up. Now you want to act up. Ooh, put a little bit too much that time. Now you want to act up and show out. Because I said all I do is put the glue on the nail. Now I want to act up. So since I have a little bit of XX glue here, I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I am sorry, y'all. I should have had this already. Stuff already picked out. Okay, so my handy dandy little thing here, and I'm just going to take this excess glue, and you're going to pick one of these up. Can y'all see? So I'm just going to pick it up. We got one right here. I can't see. I'm just going to drop it like that. Look how cute that made it look. Just a little pizzazz right there. Just look a little crooked. Or is that my finger? No. Okay, so let's move on. And I really like these glazed ombre because even if you mess up and you know, it hides if you have bubbles. So it gives that like French ombre look without worrying about the bubbles. Okay. All right, so I will come back after we do this hand. Alrighty, now that we have all of the nails on, I'm just going to file down the little tab part there. And this is simple and easy for beginners, just to give it that little jewel jazz. So this is what it looks before. Cover that one. And I'm going to show y'all just a little dab of glue here. And this tool, it came in an Amazon set as well. And we're just going to repeat that. I'm just putting just a little dollop, well, it's kind of a big dollop, but then just pasting the tool in the glue and doing like so. That one was a little dollop. And boom, that is the, oh Lord. Okay. So that is what it looks like. So to compare, you have plain, glazed, and then you have a little extra to change it up. Yep. We got too many. All right, and there you have it. Nice and cute, quick and easy, changing it up. Glazed donut nails with a little bejewels. Oh look, that one's like, there you go. Ah! Ah! Wants to stick on everything but the nail. And this is where I say, like, is there something else that I can put? Because when you put too much, like I have to apply too much, it gets that white little cast on it. If y'all know what I'm talking about. Comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. But yeah. Very cute, quick and easy. Now we got a whole new set that we made ourselves. All right, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it if you join the Loveberry squad, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.